The tip of the week is about showcasing the hellebores from your gardens indoors. You know, it's great to have the hellebores inside to enjoy because outside sometimes the flowers do face downwards and you don't get to enjoy the full effect of them. So when you go out to pick them, make sure that you pick the most new blooms on the plants. These are all from the same plant, and this is the newer bloom versus the older bloom, and these will last longer in the water. All you have to do is get a pretty bowl, fill it with fresh water, and then take all of the blooms that you've cut from your plants in your garden and just kind of float them right on top. They last probably up to, I would say, maybe 2 weeks or so. You might have to change the water, and you really get to enjoy the bounty of the plants from your garden. Bringing the hellebores indoors, that's our tip of the week.